In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Google account from Temu. To get started, open the Temu app on your device and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap You or Profile. This is where Temu keeps your personal account settings and login related options. After that, open Settings, or in some versions of the app, you may see Account and Security instead. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're looking for the area that manages account access and protection. Next, find the section labeled Linked Accounts or Sign-in Methods, if that option is available. This is the part of Temu where any connected login services, including Google, are usually listed. When you see your connected Google account, tap on it to open the available options. From there, choose Disconnect, Unlink, or Remove, depending on what Temu shows on your screen. These labels can differ a little, but they all serve the same purpose: removing the connection between your Temu account and your Google sign-in. When prompted, confirm your choice to continue. This confirmation step is important because it finalizes the change. In some cases, Temu may require you to create a password or update your existing password before the Google account can be removed. This helps make sure you can still sign in to your Temu account afterward, even without using Google. If that message appears, simply follow the on-screen instructions and choose a secure password that you'll remember. Once the process is complete, take a moment to verify that the Google account is no longer linked. You can usually do this by returning to the linked accounts or sign-in methods section and checking whether Google still appears there. If it's gone, or if it now shows as disconnected, then the unlinking process was successful. As a quick tip, before disconnecting any sign-in method, make sure you still have another way to access your account, such as a password or another verified login option. That can help you avoid getting locked out later. And that's it. You've successfully removed your Google account from Temu. If you found this helpful, thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process quick and easy to follow.